All right, everybody. Today we're going to replace the seal on this. Using this new Ratchet. Love it. Awesome Ratchet. This thing bleeds off really bad. And if you got a car jacked up, it'll bleed off like crazy. As you can see, the seal down here, she's leaking oil up there. We're going to take it apart, see exactly what seal it is, because we don't have any. So, I don't know where that went. All right, now we're getting down to the bottom here. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to drain this. Got oil in it now. Okay, we're back for part 2 here. We have a little dilemma. Our dilemma was we're trying to use our new sprayer. We wanted to use that too. And this thing just didn't want to work right. So we're switching gears. We're switching from these big old Mac 414s to pipe wrench. This thing wants to be a pain in the butt. Good try there. It tried to kick our butt, but we didn't let it. You put that down there so we don't. What the hell's the problem at there? I'm trying to find a problem at the same time. I know we got a blowed seal, but need some brake cleaner here. This one. Let's do a little denatured alcohol in this so we don't fuck it up. Denatured alcohol doesn't destroy seals like brake cleaner would. It would swell it up. The seal doesn't look like it's broke. Right there, what do we got there? Might be something right there. Might be our bleed off right there. Yeah, it's holding. I mean, it's holding, but probably won't hold under pressure. All right, that's all we're gonna do for this video right now. I'll come back when I get a rebuild kit, put it back together. Hey guys, all right, we're back here. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the right seal for this, so I'm just going to put it back together and just try to get it to work without it. I mean, I cleaned everything up really good, cleaned up all the seals really good. That's all I could really do. Just going to throw this thing back together just so you guys can see. As you see, I'm putting this hole up top. This is where the alignment is, so I want this thing up here for sure, so I can definitely put it back together. Then we're going to put this little dude in there. I did turn this though, and this was aligned with that groove. There was a bad groove in there, so I turned it to where all the grooves, like here was a groove, there was a groove, and there was the main groove. So I turned that to the other side, so it doesn't line up with this. So hopefully that helps, because this was all in perfect alignment and that was causing it to bleed off. I do believe that was the main issue. But now we're going to put it in here and just try to kind of hope like hell it doesn't work, because you can't find the seal. I can't find the kit for this. I can't find the right kit. Alright, we're back. We got that in there. I had to put it in a little vice grip and kind of pry it over with a screwdriver. I got that in there. So the next step here is going to be adding this. And we want to make sure that this goes on the right way, obviously. And we want to make absolutely sure that this is right. This way is correct. That should go in there. These stupid things should go in here and lock. There's one. We're going to go snap ring. Snap ring plier one. If I can get it in there, I don't know if I can. Probably not. Figures. Alright, we'll do the old school way. There's the first one. Let's bring the second one up here. Just get it out of the way for a second. Put the second one in. Then we put it back. Now it's starting to look like a jack. Almost again. That's in. That's in there. Try to flip this thing over. We'll get our other plier again. This one here is this way. So we're going to lock this one in, then lock this one in, lock this one in. And take this little thing, jack it up just in here, put the jack in there, down there, put the wheel back on. This one inside, I think it was. In there, put this one here. Put that in there, this one here. Now we got that, we got this here. this one, this one. Over. And, well, all we gotta do is put it back together from here. So all we have to do is put these on. Only one thing I'm forgetting. That's this. This is what drops the pin. This is what drops it after we down, but we should be able to get that on there. Shouldn't be no big deal. Should just be able to hook this in here, and then have one of our pliers come over here. Almost had it. I've got the tool over for this damn thing. I just ain't got it hooked up. Trying to show you can do it without it. Just got to do it a couple times. You'll get it. You'll get it figured out. Let me get a better screwdriver. So. This in here. Let's do this. Put our cotter pin in there, a clip. Put this one in here. Our clip in. Didn't go nowhere. And that's all she wrote. And that's what that was for. That was actually to stop us from coming down the bottom, but it's all good. It is all good. Alrighty, so we should just fill her up with oil and see if we get some pump out of it. See what we get. I'll be back with some oil. Alright guys, I put some Mercon 5 in it. I know people are going to be out there, oh that ain't going to work, it's not going to do shit. But I just filled it up, wiped it off. I'm going to spray it off really good here. With some, probably some brake cleaner. I know this ain't the right fix because I didn't have the seals and couldn't find the seals, but I cleaned those seals up really good. Cleaned them up really good, and I turned it so it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do when it was doing before. So now we're going to just tap. See if it bleeds off. Before I did that, it would bleed off. Sit on it, see what happens. Put all my weight on it. Definitely wouldn't do that before. I think we got it. Just turning that because it was in a perfect line with that seal in there, and it was causing it to push the fluid past it. So I think we're good. See if it'll go all the way up. Yeah, that's all the way up. See what we look at all the way down. Down. You might revise it without part. By fixing the air in there. This is how you know you're breaking the fluid. Breaking the fluid. A little bit better than the hydraulic fluid. But it'll still work. It's still the pressure. But this is what I wanted. At least I got a usable jack and I ain't got to be worried about freaking bleeding off now. There we go. Alright guys, another video. Hope you like that one. Have a good day. Subscribe to my channel here, Advanced Backyard Mechanic. Start doing a lot more of these videos. Start doing a lot of these tool tutorials and fixes and stuff like that. And let me know if you guys want anything in the comments there, and I'll see if I can do a video for it. Alright, have a good day.